Hey, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your progress indicator element. This progress indicator element helps you encourage your audience to complete the process, whether if they leave your checkout or registration page. Here on the page, notice that on the right side, you will have a preview of the settings that you change on the left side. On the top of the left side, you will have 3 tabs: Templates, General, and Steps. While you're on the first tab, Templates, the templates allow you to choose between different types of progress indicator designs. You can choose any that match your theme. When you select the template, you will be redirected to a General tab automatically. In the General tab, you can change the font for the step icon. You can change the title and subtitle font, and you can give background color to your element that matches your theme. Moving forward to the Step tab. In the Step tab, you will notice 3 tabs. Each tab represents each step of your progress. In each step, first, you will have to decide between number and icon in the progress steps. If you choose an icon, you have to select the icon by clicking the Select Icon button and choosing the icon for your progress step. In the second step, you can write the title and subtitle for your step, and you can also change the theme colors. In the first field, choose the color for the title. In the second field, choose the color for the subtitle. In the third field, choose the color for the progress step. In the fourth field, choose the color for the icon or number. In the fifth field, choose the color for the connected line. In the last field, choose the color for the border of your progress step. And if you want to add more steps to your progress steps, you can just do it by clicking the plus sign here. Or if you want to remove any step from the progress steps, you can just do it by clicking the small cross here. Where you're done with customizing your progress indicator element, don't forget to click the Save button on the top right and wait a few seconds until the processing gets completed. And click the Get Code button and copy the code and paste it into your email theme. Thank you for watching.